I'm Anna Niemira of BGX Capital, and we are live at Fintech and Founding Conference 2018, hosted by NCFA. And right now we are speaking with Jennifer Tkachuk Tremblay from Coinsquare. Welcome here.
Thank you for having me.
So, well, very interesting. So you are a managing director. You are a vice president and the head of capital markets at Coinsquare. Will take me a minute to say something. And Coinsquare is Canada's dominant digital currency exchange and largest by volume traded exchange as well.
Yes.
So, and at the same time, you are truly a Canadian star when we're talking about financial industry. So, truly happy to have you here.
Thank you.
So, Coinsquare all started in 2014. So, it's a fairly short period of time. And what made this company successful during those few years only?
Sure. So our success is something I've never seen before. The pace at which we've grown is incredible. So the company started in 2014 by a guy named Virgil Rostand, and he's the president, chief technology officer. And I think what ultimately allowed us to become the firm we are today and grow at the pace that we did was a combination of a number of things. It was a market opportunity that Virgil recognized, and as a result of that, he built an excellent team around him. So we have this incredible culture at Coinsquare where everybody puts their head down, wears multiple hats. It's a go-getter attitude. Everyone hustles. You know, we're also very flexible. We have to be able to move on a dime. Really just do whatever it takes to become the best company out there. The other thing is, I think that's also helped us grow to the point that we are today, is we have an incredible development team and an incredible technology team. So everything about the company is built in-house. All of our resources are in-house, and it's just a phenomenal group of people to work with. And I think all of those factors together have allowed us to really become one of the most prominent exchanges in Canada in the digital currency market.
So truly a fintech company, we can say, because it manages the finance and at the same time technology, all combined together and within just very short periods of time. It just brought really an extreme success. So mostly, when we talk about Coinsquare, what kind of the division, what kind of the market mostly we're targeting?
So we're trying to target the entire digital currency ecosystem. And so when the company originally started, we had a very simple platform. An individual could go onto the website and basically submit a market or a limit order, which we called a quick or an advanced trade. And that was perfect for you or I or somebody else to really just go in and start to get their feet wet in the digital currency market. Over the course of several months, and this was last year, over the course of several months, we started to see larger orders coming into the pipeline. And so the management team recognized, there's a need for Coinsquare Wealth, targeting larger tickets, larger order sizes, and individuals that maybe want a little bit more service. And so Coinsquare Wealth started to happen. And then from there it was, now all of a sudden, $100,000 or $200,000 being invested in digital currency is no longer the biggest orders we're seeing anymore, and then in comes the need for an institutional offering. And so we're also targeting the institutional community now, and that's where my side on the capital markets group comes in. But aside from that, we're really trying to target everything that supports those businesses. So technology we talked about a little bit already, development we talked about a little bit already, but it's also the other sides of the coin. So, pardon the pun there, but the mining and the marketing and working with regulators and really just creating the entire ecosystem for Canada.
So was the 2017 the one when you started to deal with institutional investors?
Yes, late 2017 and now into 2018.
All right, that's actually fantastic. I've noticed that usually exchanges need to be very well secured, and I can imagine that the one which also deals with cryptocurrency as well.
Yes.
So what do you really do, and how do you prevent some kind of the fraud or some kind of stolen cryptocurrencies? We're hearing about it in the newspapers, in the news. How secure your platform is?
We would like to believe it's the most secure out there. Like I mentioned earlier, every single part of our platform is built in-house. We don't partner with anybody on any technology or security development. We hold, I believe it's over 98.5% of our digital assets in cold storage. There's a number of security measures to even access that cold storage. We can proudly say we've never been hacked and nothing's ever been lost. I can't really tell you the full security protocol, but we take it very seriously, and it's to us an absolute pillar if we want to become the company that we all aspire to be.
So your approach is very customer-centric.
100%, yeah.
So
trust, customer
the security
as
well of your platform, just making sure that everything what is being done, it is highly secured, and most importantly, the customers are feeling
exactly
very good and using your platform. Are you planning to add some other altcoins as well to your platform?
Yes. So we have now officially announced that Ripple will be added to our platform. But we're also going to be adding probably about 1 coin per month as soon as Ripple comes aboard. But we're going to take a very thoughtful and careful approach to onboarding additional altcoins, and we want to make sure that we take the time to do the due diligence on what those coins offer, what their utility or practical use is, making sure that they're still classified, when the regulators figure out how digital currency will be classified, whether it's a commodity or a security or a currency. We want to make sure that whatever we offer is in line with where regulation is going. So it'll be a very measured and careful, thoughtful approach to onboarding new coins. But yes, we will be adding more coins.
And I've noticed that during your answers, you mentioned a lot about the regulatory issues as well, and I can see that you paid also a lot of attention to it as well, because most likely you understand that Canadian markets are very regulated, and it's important to work with the regulatory bodies to make sure that everything works properly.
Absolutely.
Jennifer, it was truly a pleasure. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you so much.
And I understand that you're also speaking tomorrow.
Yep, tomorrow at 3 o'clock.
Alright, so tuned for 3 o'clock tomorrow for Jennifer to introduce Coinsquare once again.
Thank you
very much. Thanks, Jennifer.
Goodbye.